Hello everyone, welcome to Vishwariti. Today we are going to see how to prepare Pongal.
Take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, cut the red chili into 2 pieces and add it into oil, cinnamon and clove, now add mustard seeds, green chilies, pepper, finely chopped ginger, hing, cumin seeds, curry leaves. Mix them well. Add water and turn off the stove. Take a bowl and add rice, moong dal. Wash rice and moong dal and strain the water. Now add all the fried ingredients with water into the rice bowl. Now we are going to add salt. Mix it well. Check the salt by tasting the water, and if you need more, add it and mix it well. Turn on your rice cooker and your pongal will be ready. If you like my video, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Bye. See you soon.